Emma, welcome back to FiliSwissed. So this will be my first live video and I'm going to be meeting up with Schaffy Buffy for some food shopping, and I'll be featuring a cook with me video, so stay tuned to see more. So now I think I see him already. Schaffy! Hello! See?
And then
So now we're on our way to Migros.
hey,
And let's see if we could grab some good finds. Right now a lot of the Migros stores and Coop stores are actually closed.
I got tote bags. Tote bags for the day.
It says even Muji, and it has the map of Zurich, the heart of Switzerland. No, I'm kidding.
We're everywhere.
Everything is heart of Switzerland. So today is the 1st of August. It's Switzerland's birthday, but because of Corona or COVID-19, we're not celebrating, or at least the country is not celebrating, but most likely the people will be, and we're gonna have our own mini celebration with this festive spicy dish, but extremely healthy. So let's see what we could find. So if you're in the city, everything is closed and dead.
Except her mouth.
So we didn't get everything and we found alternatives instead. Mostly because there's a lot of people, like even the most basic mozzarella cheese shredded wasn't there anymore. So we've finished and there was a lot of people, so it was already important that we wear the mask while we're inside.
Now, to make this spicy halal fish keto salad, you will need fish fillet, iceberg salad, avocado, cherry tomatoes, parmesan cheese, head of broccoli, olive oil, lemon or lime juice, sriracha sauce, and salt and pepper to taste. This recipe will yield to 2 portions, but obviously the ingredients that we bought in total would have made it up to 4, but it's a salad, so it's best to serve it as fresh as it could be, and you can always adjust the ingredients depending on how many people are going to eat at your table. You can especially go all out with the dressing, so I don't put exactly the measurements that I think is the best for you, because everyone's taste and likes are completely different. So maybe you want something even more spicy, you might not even use sriracha sauce, or you might even use 10 times the amount that I use, or you would like to add some herbs, dried herbs, onto the salad as well. It's entirely up to you. I'm merely providing the base where you can start off and then you can branch out from there. First thing I do is season the fish with salt and pepper, and then I marinate it with sriracha sauce for at least 15 minutes. So while I'm preparing the rest of the ingredients, it can sit in the fridge and just marinate. Next, I will cut off the broccoli florets and blanch them. If you don't know how to blanch broccoli, you just need to boil water with salt, and while you're waiting for the water to boil, take another bowl and fill it with ice and cold water. Once the water starts to boil, or you see that there's a rolling boil, you can add the broccoli florets into the water to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. And the key is to ensure that the color of the broccoli is still bright green and it's just barely tender. You can then switch off the heat and pour the broccoli into a strainer and then quickly transfer it to the ice bath. This will shock the broccoli and keep it from continuously cooking in. What it does is that it will keep the broccoli bright green and it will still have that crunch, which we like as an additional texture for the salad that we're having. When the broccoli has completely cooled down, you can already drain it from the ice water and set it aside. Now you can continue preparing the rest of the salad ingredients, such as washing all of the other ingredients first. Pit and remove the skin of the avocado and slice or cut as you desire. Some people like it cubed, sometimes I like it sliced. It's up to you how you're going to present it to your guests, or even if it's just for yourself. You can cut the cherry tomatoes in half or leave them as they are like I did, since they're small anyway. Cut or chop the iceberg salad. The key is to make sure that they are bite-sized for easy devouring. Now we can get started with cooking the fish fillet. So heat olive oil in a frying pan and cook the fish for about 5 minutes, and then turn it over and leave it for another 5 minutes on the pan. Now, while the fish is cooking, you can start preparing your salad dressing. I follow a 2-to-1 ratio, so my olive oil, let's say if it's 2 tablespoons, I will need a teaspoon of lemon or lime juice, sriracha sauce, and then you can add any additional seasoning of your choice. I kept mine simple using salt, but like I said earlier at the ingredients, that you can anyway add like dried herbs, or whatever it is that you think you'll find even more special. Maybe there's some special pepper that you like for that extra kick as well. And if you're serving this to guests, maybe you don't want to present it that everything's all mixed up already in a salad bowl, but instead you could serve it on a plate. And for the plating, by adding a handful of salad to your plate, followed by the broccoli florets, be as artistic as you want or as creative as you want. Add the cherry tomatoes. For me, if it was really a flat plate, I keep it on like the sides of the edges or the rim of where the salad is positioned, so that it has an anchor and doesn't just roll over here and there, left and right. Then you can top it off with the fish at the center and the avocado, depending on how you cut it. Either if it's cubed, you can spread it around, or if it's sliced, just leave it on the side but have it fan out a bit. And of course, if not all of your guests are that keen on eating cheese or too much cheese, you can serve it on the side in a separate bowl. And there you have it, Enguete. This video is made in collaboration with Schaffy Buffy. Head on over to his channel for part 2 of this video as we eat the food and talk more about keto halal food. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Don't forget to click the like button if you did. If you try this recipe out, you can tag me on your Instagram post and perhaps I could try out your variation if you've made any adjustments. To see more recipes like this, subscribe to my channel and click the bell to be notified. As always, I'll see you next time. Schöne!